Hi, you're watching our series on challenges in everyday communication. Today, we're talking about something we all love, having fun. Whether it's planning a day out, playing a game, or just relaxing with your family and friends, leisure and entertainment are important parts of life. But if you have aphasia, these activities can sometimes be a little challenging. Let's look at some ways to overcome communication challenges. I'm Alex, Lingraphica's consumer education specialist and a speech-language pathologist. First, let's talk about what aphasia is. Aphasia is a language disorder that can affect your ability to speak, understand, read, or write. Aphasia impacts language, not intelligence, and it often happens after a stroke or a brain injury. Common challenges. It's important for people with aphasia to maintain connections with friends and build new ones. But things like planning activities, understanding game rules, talking to friends, and staying involved can be tough. You might even feel a little left out. Strategies. Here are some strategies to help you enjoy activities and stay connected with your friends, even with aphasia. Use visual supports. Visual supports like pictures or written instructions can make it easier to understand what's happening or what you need to do. For example, if you're following a recipe, use a recipe card with pictures and simple steps. You can even use a communication board or a speech-generating device. Before you begin a game, practice key phrases you might need, like "let's play," or "I need help," or "what's next." This can help you feel more prepared and confident. Use AAC. Lingraphica offers communication boards and speech-generating devices that can help you express yourself during activities. You can customize them with words and phrases related to your favorite activities or games. Simplify. Ask friends and family to use simple language and to speak slowly. Plan together. Ask to be involved in the planning process for a friend or family outing or even activity. Consider using a communication board or a device to share your ideas and ask for their input too. This makes the planning process more enjoyable, and it ensures that everyone is on the same page. Join group activities or clubs. Consider joining a group activity or a club where you can meet others with similar interests. Look for groups that understand aphasia. Lingraphica's resources. Lingraphica's resources can enhance your communication during many activities. Our devices and apps make it easier to stay connected with friends. For those looking to make new friends, you can join virtual connections to meet new people with aphasia and maintain an active social life. Living with aphasia can be challenging, but remember, you are not alone. Lingraphica is here to help. Our devices, apps, and community support can help you better navigate your aphasia journey. Visit our website to learn more and join our community. Thanks for watching.